Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall see how to cancel a posted purchase order in Axanta ERP. Now, there might be situations where you have created a purchase order and that purchase order has been posted in the system. But later you realize that you have made a mistake in that purchase order, like you have entered the wrong cost price or entered the wrong quantity of product or so on. So in such situations you might find a need to cancel the purchase order. So let's see how we can achieve this in Axanta ERP. So for this example we shall select this product wherein the stock on hand is 51 units and the average cost price is 9.47 fills. So now we shall be creating a purchase order of this product wherein we shall purchase 100 units of this product and the cost price of per unit would be, let's say, 15 KD. So for this example we have already created and posted a purchase order of this product wherein we have purchased 100 quantities and the per unit cost price is 15 KD. So here if you see, we have already received the shipment of this 100 units and the vendor bills have been also posted. So now after the purchase, if you see this product, the stock on hand has increased to 151 units and the average cost price have also changed to 13.13 fills. So now let's say after some time you realize that this purchase order that you created is wrong, like you have entered the wrong cost price or entered the wrong quantity or so on, and now you want to cancel this purchase order. So now if you click here on this cancel button, the system will give an error that you are unable to cancel purchase order as some recipients have already been done, as we have already received the shipment and the average cost is already calculated. So in order to cancel this purchase order, we will click here the shipment and we will click on return. So we will click here return and here we will click again on return. So once you have clicked on this return button, this delivery for return has been created. So as we want to cancel this purchase order, so here for your reference in the source document we can write that this document is a cancellation of this purchase order. So for that we will just click on edit, we will write here cancellation of PO 00377 and here we will write from this document, that is WH out 00360, and now we shall click on save. So now we shall post this document. So we will click on reserve and the done quantities are 100 and we will click on validate. We select the date of posting and this document is validated. So on validating this document, this 100 units of this product has been reduced from our inventory. So now as you can see, the stock for this product has again become 51, but though we have reduced this 100 quantities, the average cost price still remains the same. So we shall see how we can change this average cost price as it was earlier. But before changing the average cost price of this product, first we shall create and post the credit note for the return. So we will click here and we will click on create, and this is the credit note which is in draft status which has been created. So as you can see, this is the vendor credit note of this purchase order 00377, and now we shall click on validate to post this, and now this has been posted and the status has changed to open. So now if we go to our purchase order, so here you can see 2 shipments and 2 vendor bills are created, that is 1 delivery and 1 vendor bill for the purchase order that we created, and one delivery and one vendor bill for the return that we made in order to cancel this purchase order. Now kindly note, the reason why we had posted the credit note while returning is that at the time of the purchase that we made, the vendor bill was also posted. So now, as we had cancelled this purchase order, so we also need to post the credit note. But in situations where you have only created the delivery and have not posted the vendor bill, so in such cases you only need to return the delivery in order to cancel that purchase order. So now we shall be changing the average cost of this product. So now to change the average cost price, we will go to the menu, click on inventory module, and under journals we will click on cost adjustment. So here we will click on create. Here we shall enter the date. Now kindly note, the reason why we are doing this cost adjustment is because when we made this purchase of this product, we already had some of the stock. But in case where you had made a purchase order of new products which did not have any previous stock, so in such situations there is no need of doing this cost adjustment. So now we will click on this load PO lines, and here we will enter that purchase order number that we created, and here if you see in the product, this product will be appearing once we enter this purchase order number. And now we will click on OK. So as you can see, this 13.134 is the existing average cost price of this product, and here in the new price the system has automatically calculated this average cost price which was there earlier before the purchase, that is 9.474. So now we will click on this post button, and as you can see, this journal has been posted. So now we shall open this product and see the changes. So now if you see here in this average cost price, the average cost of this product has changed again to 9.474. So this is how you can cancel a posted purchase order in Axanta ERP.